of all, well, that's the first setup. The mix is already here. It's a mixer we call diesel, gasoline, lye, clean up, water, anything. I did it yesterday, but I did not film it because it was dark. You can see clearly the two components here down. There's soapy stuff, and it's a quite dirty mix. So the gas, the bubbler, the gas comes in here, goes through this pipe, is heated up with the exhaust. The exhaust is going from the outside and the gas is going in the inside. So the energy heats up these gas from the bubbler. The exhaust part's going out and another part is going in the bubbler, making it move. And so there's no trick that somebody can burn Coke and orange juice and anything else and whatever, because it's not the liquid going into the machine, it's the gas produced in the bubbler. So in the final end there will be a residue of everything what's not inflammable. That's the truth behind it. Let's see if just a mix-up of this very dirty mix of diesel and soap and everything, if it works. Well, I get tired of pulling, so I made it a little bit easier. Well, as you can see, the bubbler is mixing up all the juices and everything. It's a bit cold. The machine, when it's cold at the beginning, is making a bit more smoke. Once it gets heated up, the smoke is less. It obviously can do work. The cable is in the machine, it's not connected anymore. It's not at the optimum point. You have to see on long term how it will work.